Okay, so we're going to freeze some peaches, and I got some information from Better Homes and Garden to make this recipe, although I've done this before, but it's been a few years since Fredericksburg peaches. Well, we've had a hard time getting a good crop lately, but this year, 2019, was a good crop. So anyway, these peaches are ripe, and I'm going to freeze them. And there's about 27 freestone peaches here in this basket. I have 2 quarts of water. This is 2 cups of sugar, but I'm going to need 4 cups of sugar. And you can replace some of that sugar with honey if you so choose. My husband says he doesn't want honey in it this time. He just wants it to be a light syrup. You need an ice bath, a ladle or a sieve. You need a paring knife. You need boiling water, an extra pot to make the syrup. Then you need a place for your peels and a place for your peaches after you peel them. You're also going to need some freezer bags. Take your peaches and with a paring knife put a little X on the bottom. Slice the peach just below the surface of the skin so that it will peel easier when you take it out of the ice bath. Alright, so I'm going to plop this thing in the boiling water. Woohoo! For 15 seconds. I tried to bring it out with this sieve, but it's just really awkward, so I'm just going to use this little itty bitty ladle, bring it out, and put it in the ice water. Alright, take your peach out of the ice water, and it should just peel off like this. There we go. Slice your peaches into small strips. Stir in the juice of 1 lemon, or you can add pure fresh or food grade citric acid, which will make it a little bit more sour, so you might have to use more sugar. Okay, in this pot is 2 quarts of water and a little over 3 cups of sugar. I was going to add the 4 cups, but it just seemed way too sweet. So I'm just going to do a little over 3 cups and see how it tastes after this sugar has melted. So basically what we have is a simple syrup. Okay, now we're ready to bag the peaches, and I have a Ziploc bag here in a big Pyrex container to help with the pouring. Add peaches to your bag and then fill it with enough syrup to cover the top. Squeeze as much air out as you can and then place them flat on a baking sheet. Another way you can freeze them is by using the press and seal and placing it over the peaches in a container so that it can help prevent freezer burn, and then put the lid on top. These are great for making pies or making smoothies. That's why I like the small bags, because then you can just pull one out, throw it in a blender with a banana and maybe a little bit of milk and have a really great smoothie. The way we like to eat it is when it's not completely melted. It's kind of slushy and the peaches are a little bit frozen. It tastes really good that way.